Hi, I'm Mr. Anderle. I teach world history and military history here at Case. I'm looking forward to a great year. The only thing missing, if you want to take a look around, it's you guys. So, for students and for parents, I'm available. We're going to make a great year out of this. I'm seriously looking forward to a fantastic year. Here's the things that are really important to me in my course, both military history and in world history. You're going to go ahead and ask a lot of questions. That's a skill that we have to develop. The amount of knowledge in the world doubles every 15 to 18 months. So the marketable skill is your ability to analyze and ask good questions. So inquiry is going to be a really huge thing in both of my courses here. And then the other ability you're going to have is to go ahead and do claim evidence reasoning to explain something. No matter what your career is, that's going to be very important. So I'm looking forward to seeing you guys both in live sessions, and hopefully we're going to get back to being in a classroom. I'm looking forward to get to know you guys. Do not hesitate to get in touch with me if there's anything you guys need, parents or students. There'll be some tutorials. There'll be a lot of stuff to come out, and I'm here to help you guys and make this a fantastic year under the circumstances. Thanks.